qua làn môi mềm lấp lánh như ngàn tia nắng sưởi ấm cõi lòng em vẫn biết yêu và mong chờ.
Our second night and we've come over the bridge and this is called Lantern Street. I wonder why it's called Lantern Street. What's the time, Mrs. Wombat? 8 o'clock, is that all? And the place is packed. We've got to compete.
Đây bạn. Vào thì không nên mua. Không mua lòn cái này lòn trong tan mà chịu cái cũng được mà không có người mua.
After entree for main course we decided to come into this place, which is a market and has a variety of stalls. They've got hot pots and stir fries and noodles and porks and soups and salads and wraps and rolls and hot pot wok food. So I decided to have some barbecued pork, which was very, very nice, and I forgot to take a picture of it to show you. And you can have congee rice meals or weird, wonderful food or daily workers' food, ice cream, sweet treats, all sorts of things. You can pick for anything you like, or you can pay. How much was it, Saul?
460.
460 dong, which is about what?
460,000.
460,000 dong, which is
About 22.
about $22, and you can have as much as you want to eat from anywhere. And here's the girls. Hi, girls. How are you today?
I'm very well.
The food is very, very nice.
Thank you. How about you?
We are fantastic. Look, does I look fantastic? Padding belly. Thank you. For main course, we went to the Ha Nang Cho Po Market Restaurant. The Market Restaurant Cooking School.
Như bác vừa.
Bà không mua rau đâu.
Mua cho con.
Thôi.
Which is what that says right there. The Market Restaurant Cooking School. Look out, someone's going to walk in front of the camera.